So hi guys, here's our quick how to make your own pizza at home. You use bacon crumble from Pure Foods, pizza crust from Marby, which you can buy from the groceries. It's small round things. We use cheese from Cheesy Magnolia, the white one, and we used leftover spaghetti sauce, Filipino style from Del Monte. These are not sponsored items. So first of all, you spread around the tomato sauce, or in this case, the spaghetti sauce on top of the bread. Try to spread it around as evenly as possible with a spoon, like I use. Then after that, sprinkle over the grated cheese that you have. If possible, don't grate the cheese too early, especially with the heat, because what happened to mine was kind of looked like it was melted already. So try to do it when you're actually going to be using it again, or not already, or you can just grate the cheese directly over the pizza crust that you have. So try to spread it evenly as possible as you can. I use the same spoon that I used for spreading the tomato sauce or the pizza sauce on top of the pizza crust. So you might need an extra spoon or fork to remove the cheese that um, sticks to the spoon. Okay. I usually make this at home with a lot of other ingredients like ham, one of those baked hams or smoked hams. Sometimes I have pepperoni if I'm able to buy it. As you can see, I'm cooking the bacon bits there. So I like it just, cooked enough. Put it on top of the pizza, put it in an oven toaster about 4 to 6 minutes. And there you have it. Time to eat, guys. Bye.